Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Augustin Marak, General Secretary jong kaseng Garo National Council, ulaang baka Jingdawa ka Garo State kanam Ktah yo pat Garo Shong basa haupod usam jong Khasi Hills namar ka jingya manjor lang ka jingya lang na do kipor uba hoping standing do bam kwa hedwar ublay tasyam ya karay ba anya khlad daga jingya iet daga jingya snam ya kaniya nakalyang jong Augustin ulapan pa habakran hakilat pathay kubor hadian ka jingya lang mat kinong yalam kaseng HSPDP hakas ning kong katayo mau pandur was Khasi Hills. Sho la ong ru ba kaniya ka kanti ngin buot ya kanuksa ki Longshwa bat ngi shupen scam ya karay ka barim.
GNC is the political party who is spearheading this separate Khasi Jaintia state demand that our leaders led Clifford Armarak. He has clearly stated in his memorandum that the GNC is demanding separate Garo state from the existing boundary of the Garo Hills district. There will be no inch crossing to the beyond the boundaries of the Garo Hills districts. According to the coordination committee between GNC and the HSPDP, there will not be no blood-shedding fight to the proposed Garo state in the Khasi state. It will be mutually with love and respect. It will be democratic, non-violent. So we are happy today. We reconstitute the coordination committee between GNC and HSPDP, like we have reported during the time of Led Clifford Armarak and the Bahupin Seminar. So now we are getting more support from the people of Garo Hills, and most importantly, we are getting support from the Federation of New State Demand Committee. And we will be joining the Dharna in Delhi, which will be started from the 14 of this month, 14-15. And the SSPDP leaders, they have a coordination committee. We have a coordination committee. And we have jointly submitted a memorandum to the government of India, advising the government of India to create separate Garo state and a separate Khasi Jaintia state. Under the article of 371 J to the separate Khasi Jaintia state and article 371 K to the separate Garo state, based on the linguistic. Garo Hills people not demanding separate statehood because of separate identity, language, separate culture, different culture from our beloved Khasi Jaintia people. So we need the identity to protect and preserve. We are not demanding separate state because of hate each other. We are demanding separate state just because of the culture, language, traditions is different from our beloved Khasi Jaintia people.